Yeah, big shout out to all of my fellow Bandlab users. In a few seconds, you will be able to mix vocal like I do. Okay, I'm here to share with you my secrets of mixing vocal. I have this vocal. We are going to listen to it and see what we're gonna do. Mwen se tet mwen pap janke, mwen ron pap jama ba. Mwen pa yon ped, mwen son champion. Don't be impressed, it's a Haitian gospel song. I use it to kind of teach you how to mix vocal, so don't worry about it. To mix my vocal, the first thing I do, I set a loop in the area that I'm going to mix. Okay, I set a loop in this area. Okay. After the loop, I apply the nose to cut some noise in the empty spaces like in this area. Okay. The very first effect I had is a graphic EQ. You see, graphic EQ. When I had this effect, I cut all the high frequencies down. Start by this one, I cut them down. Also, I cut the mids. The hundreds one, I put it by the 12 dB, by 12 dB. Okay, the 200, I put it down by the 5, and I play to listen. Okay, I put a little mid. Okay, the 800, I put it like that. Okay, all we do is seeking out where the vocal sounds well. Okay, I think we can keep this one like that, only increase the level. Okay, we increase the level and add a second effect to kind of increase the volume. It's a dynamic, a compressor, this compender. Okay, so I increased again. Okay, and then follow my step to a second EQ, this EQ3M. I had it to reduce some frequencies and increase some other to to see, yes, to see where it sounds well. I think we can keep it like that. This stage was the most important part of mixing. Now we can add some stuff like reverb, delay. Okay, we had a reverb first, and you can use any reverb. So I apply this pacemaker in it. So what I do is decrease the room, the size. Okay, I put a little mix. Okay, I think it's okay. I think it's good. I had a delay. I choose this one, the delay. I open it to kind of put it in the half 1.3. I cut I I pass a little bit and also reduce the weight level and put a, a bit of the volume. Simple like that. You already have a clean vocal. So what I'm going to do next is adding an auto pitch. Auto pitch. After applying auto pitch, we can go back to our mix. Okay, to add a theorizer. It's in the utility. A theorizer. Okay, and and I reduce the spread to make it sound nicer. Now let's make the comparison with the two vocal. Mwen se tet mwen pap janke, mwen ron pap jam ba. Mwen pa yon ped, mwen son champion. Mwen se tet mwen pap janke, mwen ron pap jam ba. Mwen pa yon ped, mwen son champion. Mwen beni an diyo, beni lem nan vila. N'importe saison, mwen béni. C'est bon Dieu qui fait comme ça, mwen béni.